Aloha everyone and welcome to Skincare with Hyram. If you don't know who I am, my name's Hyram and I'm passionate about teaching you how to perfect your skincare routine. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Ow. Oh, I bit my tongue, bro, that hurt. I'm gonna have to talk like this for the rest of the video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week. It is a continuation of the best skincare of 2022 and I am so excited for this video because we're gonna be talking about the best serums. Yeah. That was my attempt of the Ariana Grande, yeah, but in a gym bro voice. Was I successful? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the best serums of 2022, but not just my favorite ones, nor. I'm also going to be highlighting your favorite serums and including them in this video as well. Because I was searching through some data from my videos. Call me data scientist Hyram. Yes, the same Hyram that almost failed every math class. And I was able to see what your guys' favorite top picks are, so I've included them in this video, and I'm going to be giving you the full rundown on all the best serums throughout this year. I have all the products linked in the description box below. If you do want to support me and my channel, I would really appreciate it because these videos do take a lot of time to figure out what the best products are, particularly because I have to test out so many products. My skin has been through the ringer. So if you are interested in purchasing any of these products, they will all be linked in the description box below, but no pressure whatsoever. They're just there as a resource. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so I'm going to be organizing these products by skin type, so oily, combination, and dry skin. And I'll first start with dry skin because it is wintertime and I know a lot of y'all are struggling with dry, flaky skin. And the first product is the Glow Recipe Avocado Recovery Serum. This one genuinely took me by surprise because when it comes to Glow Recipe products, some of them are just kind of hit or miss for me. And when I saw this one, I was immediately interested because it is focused on recovering the skin from skin sensitivity and irritation, redness, which unfortunately applies to yours truly. And I immediately was drawn to the ingredient list because not only does it have really powerful ingredients that work on strengthening your moisture barrier as well as calming any redness and sensitivity. First of all, because it has avocado butter and avocado extract, avocado being an incredible antioxidant and really good for soothing any irritation, as well as a ceramide complex to help deeply nourish the skin and strengthen that moisture barrier. But this product also doesn't have undisclosed fragrance, which I absolutely love. I know that Glow Recipe uses all natural extracts for their fragrance, but I'm just a nosy bitch. I want to see all the ingredients listed out. And finally, the experience is amazing. I've used this during the daytime as well as nighttime on my dry cheeks or during the night just all over my face. And it always feels amazing because it is more of a lightweight textured serum, but it packs a punch for nourishment and hydration, which I really enjoy because it'll deeply nourish the skin without feeling too heavy or greasy on the skin. Overall, I'm really impressed with this formulation. I think they did an amazing job. Next up is one that is, yes, technically for dry skin, but really could be used by anyone, just depending on the time of day you use it. And from the data, the serum was selected as one of the best products from you guys, so I'm glad to see y'all love it too. The Topicals Faded Serum. This one, you guys, oh my god, is absolutely incredible for fading dark spots and hyperpigmentation in the skin. The results from this product are really, truly incredible. It's a power-packed ingredient list. It has tranexamic acid, an ingredient that is harder to find, but amazing for reducing dark spots and hyperpigmentation. But the reason I love this product is because it doesn't rely on that ingredient alone to do the brightening work. It's also paired with niacinamide, licorice root extract, as well as azelaic acid, another incredible ingredient for brightening dark spots. It just really has a power-packed formula. And I will say, if you're someone who does have extra sensitive skin, I would maybe be careful using this product because I've genuinely been shocked at how powerful this is. But if you're someone who wants the results, oh baby, this is definitely for you. I'd recommend using it a few times a week, not every day. And even though it does say it's a serum, I would say the consistency is more moisturizer-like, which is why I've always used this one overnight. I think it's just better to use overnight because of the active ingredients anyway. But applying this underneath a rich moisturizer overnight will mean that you will wake up with very bouncy, very plump skin, and it'll really help to fade those dark spots. There's a reason why this product has a cult following because it truly is amazing. I've talked about it so many times on my channel. It's good. Next up, we have combination skin, which traditionally is always the most difficult to find product recommendations for because how are you going to find a good product that can work all over your face that addresses both oiliness and dryness? Bruh! I had to put in the work to find these recommendations. And the first serum is one I consistently used every time I was traveling or whenever I was in a dry environment. The First Day Beauty Facial Radiance Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum. This one, oh my gosh, feels so amazing on the skin. And let me tell you, I was really picky with this product because I'm not just attracted to any niacinamide serum out there, especially because niacinamide is found in so many products. But wow, does this do an unprecedented job at both controlling oiliness on your skin while also simultaneously hydrating the dry areas of your face? It really blew me me away. It has this milky consistency that is easily absorbed into the skin, but pretty immediately you notice that it does a good job of plumping the skin up. It has a really good ingredient list that includes niacinamide, of course, one of my favorite ingredients for, well, literally everything. It reduces sensitivity and irritation. It brightens dark spots and hyperpigmentation on the skin. It strengthens your moisture barrier. It works for any skin type. It controls oiliness and sebum production on your skin. There's just so many benefits to niacinamide, but it's also paired with licorice root extract, great for brightening dark spots, as well as golden kiwi fruit, an ingredient that's a great antioxidant that I don't find in many products. And even though it has solid ingredients, I was primarily attracted to this product just because of the experience, because as a combination skin person, it is hard to find a serum that works for every area of your face, but this one got the job done. It is a little bit pricier, and if you are someone on a budget, I have another niacinamide serum coming up in the video that I'll talk about. That's way more affordable, but if you want an amazing experience, this one is definitely super good. And next up is another product that you guys chose as one of your favorites of the year, and it's a really good thing that I also love this product as well. The Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. If you have been on TikTok or on Instagram, really any social media platform, you know that this product has an absolutely ridiculous cult following, and there's a good reason for that. It is an amazing experience, particularly if you have combination skin. First off, it's packed with really powerful antioxidants like madecassoside, which is essentially the most powerful element, I guess component would be the better word if we want to get all scientific, of green tea, which is great for reducing redness and sensitivity, but it also has niacinamide, a hyaluronic acid complex, peach extract, as well as a peptide complex, which is very rare to find in a lightweight serum, because one of the main reasons I love this one is because it's not super heavy on the skin. It's lightweight, it absorbs easily, but the main reason so many people love this, and honestly, I really like it too, is that it does an amazing job of making your skin look so like plump, smoothed, hydrated without being super greasy. I remember the first time I used this product and I was like, okay, let's see what all the hype is about. Me being my extra critical self, of course. And I remember looking in the mirror and being like, whoa. The difference this serum makes on the skin is so good. It's just a really, really good product, and I'm glad you guys love it. It's one of the few viral products that I actually stand behind. So freaking good, highly recommend. And then finally, because no, I did not forget you guys, oily skin babes. Finding good serums for oily skin is, oh my God, so freaking difficult, because I understand the struggle, the pain of trying to use so many serums out there and your skin inevitably getting super greasy, super sweaty, looking like the fucking International Space Station reflecting light. I've been there. But all these products I found are really good for oily skin. First one is of course the Selfless by Hyram Salicylic Acid and Sea Kelp Pore Clearing and Oil Control Serum. I made myself only include one of my products in this video because I wanted to include all of them, but I was like, you already know, I'm not gonna shove it down your throats, but I picked this one because this by far out of my entire range is the product that I literally cannot go a day without using because of how incredible it is at reducing oiliness and sebum production on your face. First thing I love, it's extremely lightweight. I wanted to make sure that upon application, if you live in a super humid environment or your skin is just really greasy, that it's not going to be sweat out. It has amazing ingredients like salicylic acid, which in my opinion is the best ingredient for clearing oily skin, as well as deeply exfoliating the pores to make sure that you don't struggle with breakouts. But it also has succinic acid, niacinamide. It's just a really great ingredient list that feels so lightweight on the skin. And because my T-zone gets so oily, I have to use this one every day because if I don't, get the blotting papers ready, y'all, because the oil is coming. And of course, for every product purchase, rainforests are protected from deforestation through our social impact. So yeah, had to recommend this one. Next is a serum that is the most affordable product on this list. So if you are on a budget, you want to listen up because this is also one of your guys' top favorite serums of this year. It is the Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum. This is such an awesome serum if you just want a basic, very simple way of reducing oiliness and sebum production on your skin while still harnessing all the benefits of niacinamide. Good Molecules is a really good brand, particularly if you are wanting to find super affordable products. And this one is a great, simple, and affordable solution if you are wanting to make sure you're keeping your oiliness at bay without breaking the bank. Is it chock full of incredible ingredients and a product where I look at the ingredient list and I'm like, oh my God, my mind is blown? No, it's not, but are you able to get the benefits of niacinamide and it gets the job done? Yes, which is one of the main reasons I wanted to include it in this video, and I think it's just a great solution, particularly if you are starting into skincare and you're trying to figure it out. Definitely try this one out. You can't beat the price point. It's a great option. And then finally, the last product, a recent addition to my favorite serums, is the Bioma Clarifying Serum. Bioma is a brand that has really impressed me and taken a lot of people by storm. It's so popular now, and for good reason. All of their products are super good for sensitive skin, but really filled with incredible ingredients at a great price point. There's a few reasons why I love this one. First off, it includes blue tansy, which is a really good ingredient for calming redness and sensitivity in the face, as well as controlling oil, but a lot of products tend to include blue tansy fragrant essential oil, which I don't love because that can be a little bit irritating to the skin. skin, but this one includes the really beneficial extract, and it also has PHA, which gently exfoliates the skin, getting rid of dead skin cells on your face, but it's very gentle, as well as zinc, which is great for reducing redness and sensitivity, as well as calming oil production. Niacinamide is also at the top of the ingredient list, and it includes the ceramide complex. It's just a really impressive ingredient list where I look at it and I'm like, wow, this has so many ingredients that are amazing for oily skin. Well, really any skin type, but the reason I recommend it for oily skin is because it's super lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin at all. Is it as lightweight? Is it as lightweight as the Selfless serum? No, it's not. So if you have crazy oily skin, I would recommend that one instead. But if you do want to get some of those ceramide benefits and a little bit of hydration for your oily skin, this one is definitely a good one to go with, and you can't beat the price point. It's super cost effective. If you love shopping at Target, I've always been able to find this one there, and just a great overall serum. That concludes my best serums of 2022. I hope you guys really liked this list, and I hope you were able to find a serum that works for your specific skin concerns or your skin type. Like I said, I spent a lot of time preparing for this video. I literally start testing out the products at the very beginning of the year and testing them throughout the entire year to find the best recommendations for you guys. So if you are interested in purchasing any of these products, feel free to use my links in the description box below. Do you guys have any serums that you were obsessed with this year? Please comment them in the comment section down below because I would love to see what your recommendations are. I'm always looking for new obsessions. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm going to be coming out with more best of videos. We still have a lot to cover because we have a job we need to get done. I need to get you on the best skincare routine possible. That's always been my goal. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next best of video. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week. And I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah. One thing that you regret spending money on.
In 2010, I paid for a yoga retreat, and it was $7,000. I was so broke at the time, and it was in Costa Rica. Like, it's the neighboring country to Nicaragua. And I was like, oh, I definitely want to do that. And the promise was that you would learn how to become a yoga instructor. So I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going to get that bag. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. And I sent them my money. 2 weeks later, haven't heard from them, and still to this day have never heard from these people.
It was a scam?
$7,000!
Oh my god.